Want to pay your bills on time without remembering each due date? Scheduling future payments in Chase Online Bill Pay puts you in complete control. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In your online account or app, go to Pay and Transfer, Bill Pay. You can add a payee, like your utility company, by entering their name and your account number with them. Once added, you schedule a payment. Enter the amount, choose the date you want the payment to be sent, and select which Chase account to pay from. You can make it a one-time or recurring payment. My crucial pro tip: schedule payments 3 to 5 business days before the due date. Don't schedule it for the exact due date. This buffer accounts for any processing time, especially for the first payment to a new company or if there's a weekend holiday. It ensures your payment is never late. Take the stress and forgetfulness out of monthly bill management. How many bills do you have on automatic payment schedules? For more guides on organized finances, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.